What's going on, guys? Back in another video. Today we're going to be working on the cabinet again. I came a little bit earlier. I had to run home and do some errands, but I got most of them painted and sand it because it sucks to do. I had to sand each one of them by hand. But I've got 9 more I got to paint. So I'm going to show you guys the whole process. It's not too hard. The paint kind of sucks that I bought, but what are you going to do? So the cabinet is done. I just have it facing that way because I did touch it up and it was outside. I just brought it in before I left. So I'm going to put you guys on a little time lapse. We're going to sand them and we are going to paint them. So yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, you just saw we got them all painted up. We got all these painted and the ones on the floor painted up. There's a couple runs because of how far off I guess I was. I don't know. It like went on the handle and then dripped down. Annoying, but what you can do? It's just a cabinet, really. I think this is probably where I'm gonna end up putting it. There's my box. I think it looks pretty good. It doesn't go all the way against the wall because it has trim, but it shouldn't be like this once it's weighed down, so I'm not worried about it. But hey, it looks pretty good. I am gonna put matte on top of this because I don't want to scratch it up crazy, but hey, they look pretty good. They're not terrible. I know it's a little bit of a weirder video, nothing really car related, but this is pretty neat. You know, I could turn around and probably sell this for like 300 bucks now. I'm not gonna do that because I want to use it for myself, but Scotch-Brite pad, some 220, and some tractor paint, Rust Kill tractor paint, whatever I got at Tractor Supply. Worked pretty well. So I'm not mad. Wish the color was a little bit darker. I don't really mind. At this point, I should have just paint matched it to my Miata. That was the original plan, but the cans are a little more expensive than those. I should have did it now in retrospect. But yeah, these are gonna have to dry for at least a day. I even tried to touch them. They're not dry yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I know it's nothing really automotive related, but it's pretty neat if you need a place to store your bolts, which is what I'm gonna use this for, because I can't handle this crazy drawer of Miata bolts, and that's not all of them. I have some at home, I have some in my room, I have them everywhere. I have bins full over there, so I'm gonna thankfully have a place I can organize them. I'm probably gonna get like a label maker or something and just label everything, why not? So yeah, cool little project, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great weekend, have a great Easter, guys. Next week I should have some pretty good content because we're going away to vacation to Poconos. So hopefully I could film something cool for you guys. But have a great weekend, guys. Thank you.